Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Zach, and I'm here to teach you how to use your brand new All-Star kit from Shoe MGK. It comes with an 8-ounce bottle of cleaner and conditioner, as well as the 3-ounce bottle of touch-up white. I'm gonna show you how to clean all of your shoes with this, so let's get into it. So let's get started with the cleaner and conditioner. Our cleaner is specially formulated to work on all types of materials. It works on suede, canvas, leather, cloth, mesh, you name it, and we can clean it. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Begin by brushing any excess dirt off the shoe with the bristle brush. Next, you want to wet the brush in our clean water and add a few drops of cleaner and conditioner. Step 3. Begin scrubbing with the lower part of the shoe and work your way up as you go. Step 4. Continue this process over the entire shoe, including the laces. Scrub the entire area thoroughly and evenly. If your laces are extra dirty, just throw them into a small bowl of water and solution to lift out the stains. Step 5. Wipe away the excess solution and dry with a clean cloth or microfiber towel. Now we have the touch-up white, which is an absolute must for anyone who has white shoes. It utilizes a special blends of agents that enrich and brighten dingy threading and yellowing midsoles. Simply tap the applicator sponge onto a clean surface to bring up the solution and carefully apply to any white material. If you do end up getting some on a colored surface, simply wipe it away with a clean cloth or use the cleaner and conditioner to remove it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you guys now know how to keep your shoes clean with Shoe MGK. Please follow us on social media, leave us a review on Amazon to let us know how we're doing, and as always, respect your shoes.